All right, now that you bought some rural off-grid land on LandLimited.com, you might be asking yourself, what's next? Well, I recommend doing these 5 things after you buy land. Not all of them are completely necessary, but it's something I recommend. You don't have to do them immediately or anything crazy like that. So in this video series, we'll be going over the 5 things we recommend you do after you buy rural vacant land with LandLimited.com. First thing I would do, plan a trip to go see the parcel. You don't have to do this immediately. Check the weather, make sure you know where you're going into. It's always good to be prepared, but that's the first thing I would usually tell people to do is go check out your parcel. And don't just go to just look at your land. Most of our customers are traveling anywhere from a few hours to across country or at least over state lines to go see their parcels. So make a trip of it. Go on Google, check out different roadside attractions. There's some weird ones out there, from alligator zoo in Alamosa of all places in Colorado to ice caves in New Mexico, you know, world's largest chili pepper, all sorts of crazy stuff. So have fun with it, plan it out, go on Google, treat it like a vacation. You don't have to be Griswold, National Lampoon style with the road trip, but go on it. It's a journey, it's fun. You're gonna go explore the US, a lot of places that people haven't seen before. So that would be my number 1 recommendation for going to see your vacant land. Number 2, locate your property markers, or at least get a very good general idea of where your property is located. We have plat maps on your online account for you. We put the GPS about in the center of the lot. If you have any doubt, you can reach out to me and I will do my best to help you. And if you have any doubt, hire a surveyor and get a current survey. It's very important you know where your property lines are. At the start, it's not terribly important, but it is 100% important before you put in a septic, well, cut down trees, do anything crazy. You want to know where your property lines are. So you can use the plat map, survey wheel. A lot of times you can find the pins. They're about 10 feet back from the road, but that's the number 2 thing I would do after you buy a piece of vacant land with LandLimited.com. Number 3. Now this one is important, but it's not always necessary. Now you bought a piece of off-grid rural land for a reason. So you obviously don't want people trespassing on it. So I do recommend posting no trespassing signs. It's not entirely necessary in all these areas, but if you want privacy, it's probably not a bad idea to do it. Now, general rule of thumb is a sign every 200 feet in all directions of the parcel. Check local regulations for that. You don't want people jumping on your lot, or you don't want squatters, or who knows. You're in the middle of the woods. Weird things happen. So that would be number 3. Number 4. Okay, now that you've explored the country, getting your property, you've identified your lot and have a pretty good idea of where it is and the boundaries of it, and you've posted no trespassing signs, once again, personal preference. Number 4 would be do a little recon mission. Check out the surrounding area around your parcel, drive all the roads that are public. Don't go trespassing on somebody else's lot, obviously, but go see if you have neighbors, if there's a pond down the way, if there's a creek, if just about anything. What roads are in good shape, what roads are in bad shape, multiple entrances and exits. Just get a feel for your surroundings, because that's important as well. This is, you know, the countryside, so things can pop up. A tree can go down on one road, maybe you can't move it, so you know that there's another entrance and exit out a different road. So go explore, go have fun. This is your new area, so enjoy it. All right, which brings us to number 5. You've done 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now 5 is the fun part. You know where your property is, you've posted no trespassing, you've explored the areas. Now you get to dream what you want to do. Whether you used our no credit check owner financing or paid cash for the property, now it's time to put pen to paper, get an idea of what you want to do with the property. There is no time limit to build unless you begin construction. Check local regulations, of course. You know, you could start planning where you want your garden, where you want to put your cabin, or you just want to clear an area for your family campsite. Now is the time to do that. You've explored the land, you know its topography, you know the area. So figure out what's best for you and just start thinking about what you want to do with the land. So that's the top 5 things I would do after I purchased a piece of property on LandLimited.com, whether through owner financing or cash. Once again, we specialize in off-grid, rural land. Some stuff has utilities, but yeah, top 5 things. You guys have a good day.